Your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back at it. And this video is all about the backyard. When I tell y'all I have vision for this backyard, I really do. I really do. Let me just give you a quick snippet of what it looks like in my backyard right now. I remember we new to this home, so all of this stuff I didn't do. I'm having to redo what was already done. Check out the backyard. You know, that was my work table. Boom, boom, boom. Little open area. I have pineapples here. I have 2 banana trees, and this is a papaya tree that's actually starting to produce. Okay, but that's not important. I have my raised beds, which these are my new raised beds. I had to change them out from those. I did a video on that, so had to learn my lesson. Toxic, death, clean, crisp, and life. Okay, that's the difference between the two, if you wanted to know. I'm gonna do a little situation. Okay, no, this is before. Okay, this is before. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then over here I got some stuff. That's my situation. Okay, that's my yard now. All right, so you see what I'm looking like right now. But when I tell y'all the ideas, the vision that I have for this backyard, and I must say, it's not even all here. Like, I just have visions for sections of my backyard. I know more is to come. And as it do come, you know I'm going to share it with you because I love you, because you're my family. All right, but anyway, let me just show you what I'll look to do. All right, so I'm going to just walk this way. That has to go. It's terrible. It looks terrible. I'm tired of looking out the window of my house, seeing that. It looks despicable. In one good mind, it was a great idea for a table. But the more I look at it, the more it has to go. So I'm gonna build a table. I'm actually gonna build a table. I'm gonna build a table, okay? And that's gonna be gone. What am I gonna do with it? Over there, I'm gonna put a deck. Yes, I built a deck in the front yard. A lot of people have already seen the video. If you haven't, go ahead and check it out. I did a deck out of pallets before, and I'm gonna do it again right here. Boom. I'm gonna use these boards to be a part of the deck. For this area, this little non-growing area, sanded, stale area, boom, a deck is going there so it can overlook the garden, okay? The deck is going there. This shed area, I don't even really use it, but I'm gonna just slide it down. I'm gonna keep sliding down till it's out the way and it don't look weird wherever it is. But anyway, I'm gonna slide that down. I got my raised beds, of course. Over there will be my flowers. I'm gonna do sunflowers there, a nice tall ones in the back row, dwarf ones in the second row, and in the first row I'm gonna do like wildflowers just to, you know, get the butterflies, the bees, and hopefully my wife don't see this, but the butterflies and the pollinators, okay? Pollinators. I'm gonna get them covered to my area over here. So I'm gonna do 3 rows of those things there. Not 3 rows of the wildflowers, but y'all get it. If not, go back and rewind it. Anyway, and then right here in the corner area, I'm gonna put my compost bin so that it's closer to my garden beds themselves, because when I was trying to use my compost the other day, it was a lot of work. I must say, like wheelbarrow, like I don't want to do all of that. So I'm gonna do it that way. And I have a little pot like that. Boom. I'm gonna just do some marigolds right there, like, so that I can just place them just throughout the garden bed, you know what I'm saying, keeping the pest away. You dig? All right, so, and then I'm gonna try to do some grass in this area. I'm gonna do seeds. I'm gonna see how it takes. If the seeds take, then I may throw some more seeds down, or I may just go and buy sod. But you don't know till you try. And then this area, the Bohemian tree, the colossal tree. Like, it's funny, I had an appointment today, off subject, but I had a appointment today to see about getting some solar panels, because not only am I like green on the backyard and plants and things like that, but I do care about the environment. I really do. Recycling is things that I want to do, or excuse me, that I do. Having electric cars is something I look to have, and just the whole shebang. So anyway, this tree, eliminating my solar options. But next house will do it. Anyway, over here, boom, I'm gonna do some mulch on this area here so that that is clean. I'm thinking about doing something else with these plants here. Drop it in the comments below if there's any ideas that you may have with these. They look decent in the spring because these are the ones that have the thing to grow out, and it's like a orange and pink and things like that. But right now, yeah, your thought is mine. So mulch this area a nice brown because I have leaves, and when leaves fall on red, it doesn't look good. So actually, I got that from my nursery that I went to today. He enlightened me because my first thought was red. I love red. And he was like, no, don't do red because like anything that falls on a red carpet, which pause, why do you have a red carpet? But anyway, maybe he's talking about a church. Anything that falls on a red carpet, you will see. And I was like, man, that's a good point. He was like, so don't do red, do like a brown because you have leaves. I said, thank you, sir. You save me time and money because red, you got to recycle and redo it all a lot. Anyway, that's the plan for that area. And so the bench I'm gonna put on the deck. My table that I'm gonna build, I'll put it right there so that it's close to everything. You know, it's a harmony thing. And even if I'm grilling, I have the table to work from, and it's just synergy. You know what I'm saying? Bringing everything together. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start this move. Why not? Let me just start it now, get the move out the way, and let y'all see even what the deck area and the compost and the new area, just see what all that looks like, and maybe it encourage you to do something. So, hey, hit me in the comment section if you have any ideas for this backyard, for this area specifically, which is like very barren and weed infested, and then this area where I'm considering, like, these are like supposed to be pineapples, but they look terrible. And just help me clean this up. Like, even a fence option. I'm thinking about different fence options. Should I do wood? Should I do whatever that is? I don't even know the different options. But let me know in the comment section. Anyway, let me go ahead, move some things around so that we can get things certified. All right, let's do it. Beautiful people, well, just like that, most of it is done. The compost, that's actually a two-man job. I'll probably stick a couple of those 2x4s through the holes and just, you know, carry it on my shoulder type deal with a friend. So that is staying there. But other than that, I'm gonna walk backwards so that you can kind of, well, no, I'm not gonna do that. Safety first. But as you can see, I put those over there, so like it's actually a lot of space. I got to figure out what I'm gonna do with those right now. Currently to be determined. Again, with these plants, it looks droopy, sad, and miserable. So maybe I'll just prune those for now and let the rest happen as it may. Compost bin, of course, is going in that corner there once I get some help. I didn't really touch this area, but I did do something with this. And yeah, it's gonna be a big deck. I'm gonna use 6. The first time I only did 4, so this one's a whole nother section that I'm gonna add. 6 boards. It's gonna be nice. 6 boards there, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool when this is all done and it's all said and done. I'm gonna actually be able to use the previous boards that were on the pallets that I use for raised beds without knowing, as the boards to fill in the space, but that'll be a whole nother video. And as you can see, there is a gap between the raised beds and these those toxins. Have to figure something else out. Maybe I'll put something in the middle to further separate the two. Loveless. And yeah, man, that's my area. I am thoroughly happy. I put the little bin over there, you know, tucked off in the corner. I don't have to see it when I'm in the backyard. The boom, that will go over there. So I'll do this first, and then I'll finish the table because the table has to go there once that is moved, just to keep, you know, peace within the backyard while I'm doing everything. But yes, that's the backyard. Look at all this space. Again, comment below. Let me know what to do with these fruited planted areas. And you know, this area too. Like, help a brother out. I need help. But without further ado, I'll end this video by saying I love you all. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. Why? So that we can grow together. Alright? You know, we can learn from each other, help one another, and more importantly, encourage one another to do all the different things that we're doing in our gardens, in our homes, or wherever you are doing things with plants. Alright? I love you all. Till next time. Peace out.